Approximately 200 mm from the corner, the spacer bar frame is marked on the vertical side. A hole is carefully drilled to the back side of the spacer bar. The hole is covered with a sticker. The spacer bar frame is filled with desiccant. The sticker is removed. A sealing cord made of butyl is applied on the bottom of the SWISSPACER AIR. It is then carefully screwed into the spacer. The opening of the SWISSPACER AIR is sealed with a stopper. The handle of the plug is bent. The spacer bar frame with the SWISSPACER AIR is placed on the pane of glass and aligned. It's brought to the press. The second spacer bar frame is set. In the press, all the panes are pressed to form a piece of triple glazing. The edge of the glass with the two SWISSPACER AIR units is sealed. The mechanical sensor for the height of the sealing material must be deactivated or must not be present. A roller is used to smooth out any uneven areas. Once the sealant has cured, the stoppers can be removed with a spatula.